Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's a great website, sizzle.ai. So it's SZL.ai. There's also a free iOS and Android app. You do not need to sign up. You could go ahead and use right here to show the math keyboard. You could also upload an image. Then over here, you can even scan this with your phone, and then you could upload an image directly into here. So you could go ahead and do that. Of course, you can just type in. Now, if you'd like, you can start solving by selecting up in here, and then you can go ahead and sign in and, of course, sign up. Now, I've already done this. So what I have here is, I actually have my history here as well, which is great. But let's go ahead. I'm going to grab something from the 4th grade math PSSA. And what's really nice is right in here, you can give you some choices. It will generate choices if you'd like. So you can see here. Also, it could just reveal the step if you'd like to see that. All right, so let's reveal this step as well. We'll say, give me some choices. So right in here, you can see not correct, not correct. Option D is correct. So let's go ahead and select that. And it says it is correct. Now, if you'd like, you can go back to your history as well. Just make sure you are signed in. So I'm going to go ahead, just do a quick sign in. I just use Google. Let's go to my history. And here's my history. So you can see we had that one. This one I did before. And then this one right here. So how great is that? Again, it is free, and there are apps available as well. But yet you don't need to sign in unless you want to keep your history. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.